Okay, we discuss another problem. So new point is there are this undercasting, that amount not entered. That amount not entered means the cash book instead of debit, instead of, if you debit whatever increases but not entered, cash book decreases. Cash book decrease means passbook increases. Passbook increase means we have to less undercasting. This is about this problem. So eighth problem, prepare bank reconciliation statement when cash book debit balance is given 10,000, cash book parallel balance is given 10,000. So a check 1,000 deposited but not recorded in the cash book. I will read out the problem. A cash deposit 200 was recorded in the cash book as if there is not bank column therein. A check issued 250 was recorded 205 in the cash column. A debit balance of 1,500 previous day was brought forward as credit balance. The payment set of the cash book was under cash 100. A cash discount allowed 112 recorded as 121 in the bank column. Check 500 received from debtor was recorded in the cash book but not deposited in the bank for collection. Now, an outgoing check 300 was recorded twice in the cash book. This is the problem. Okay. So given is passbook debit balance, passbook parallel balance, and that means passbook increases, right? Less. Sorry. Given is the cash book debit balance. Cash book debit balance means cash book increases, right? To less. Cash book decreases, right? To add. For every point you have to see cash book increases or decreases. For every point you have to see cash book increases or decreases. Check 1,000 deposited but not recorded in the cash book. Check deposited means why to debit cash book. If you debit cash book increases, but not recorded in the cash book. So you have to debit the cash book. If it is debited, cash book increases, but not debited, cash book decreases. So and cash book decreases, we have to add. Check is deposited, but not recorded in the cash book, 1,000 add. If check is deposited, cash book is debited, cash book increases, but not recorded in the cash book decreases. That's why a cash book decreases, we have to add. A cash deposited 200 was recorded in the cash book as if there is not bank column. A cash deposited 200 was recorded in the cash book if there is no bank column. So whenever cash we deposited, what happens? We are going to debit bank column of the cash book. We have to debit bank column of the cash book. If we debit bank column cash book, cash book increases, but they are not debited bank column. They have debited some other column because there is not bank column therein. So this 200 was not debited in passbook, cash book. If it's debited, cash book increases, but not debited, passbook decreases. We have to add these two. A check deposited 1,000, a cash deposited 200, not entered in bank column of the debit side of the cash book. 1,200 for these two. Check 1,000 deposited, not recorded. Cash deposited 200, not recorded in the cash book. If recorded, cash book increases, but not recorded, cash book decreases. That's why this 1,000 and 200 we have to add because cash book decreases. Cash book we have to add. A check 250 was recorded as 205 in the cash column. A check issued means we have to create cash book. We have to create cash book bank column, but not at all entered in the cash book bank column. They go to 205 in the cash column. So cash column not immaterial to us. Cash column is not at all required to us. We are comparing only 3 column cash book bank column, but check issued not entered in the bank column credit side. So check issued means we have to create cash book, but not created in the bank column. Cash column, leave it 205 or 210 or 220. Cash column, we are not reconciling cash column, we are reconciling bank column of the cash book credit side. So not at all entered in the bank credit. So if it is entered in the credit side, cash book decreases, but they not entered, cash book increases by 250, by 2 less. Check issued not recorded in the bank column. Huh? Check issued not recorded in the bank column. So when check issued, we have to create cash book, but when we create cash book decreases, but we not entered, cash book increases by to less 250. Immaterial 205. The debit balance 1,500 in the previous day was brought forward as credit balance. Debit balance 1,500 on the previous day was brought forward as credit. So this means cash book. Cash book debit balance means 1,500. They are shown as a credit balance. They are shown as credit balance. This is so debit balance means cash book increases. They are shown in the credit balance. That means cash balance decreases. So they cash balance decreases twice because one debit not entered, cash book 1,500 decreases. Erroneous credit 1,500 cash book. So total cash book decreases by 3,000. One debit not entered, cash book decreases by 1,500. One wrong credit, cash book decreases by 1,500. Total cash book decreases by 3,000. So we have to add debit balance carried forward as credit balance 3,000. We have to add. The payment side of the cash book undercast by 100. Undercasting means one amount not entered. If it is payment side is entered, automatically cash book balance decreases. But not entered means cash book balance increases. Undercash means not entered. If it is entered, cash book balance decreases. But not entered means cash book balance increases. When cash book balance increases by to less 100, payment side, payment of cash book under cash 100 means by to less the amount. A cash discount allowed 112 was recorded in the bank column 121. We are only concerned about bank column. So discount allowed is debited in the bank column 121. Bank column 121. 121 debited in the what is that is the wrong entry, but 121 debited in the bank column. Discount allowed means it will be debit side of the bank column only. 121 debit means passbook increases was given. 121 debit side cash book increases. Given cash book, when cash book increases by to less 121 or less. Cash discount allowed recorded in the bank column 121 debit side by to less. A check 500 received from debtor was recorded in the cash book but not deposited in the bank. So check received, debited cash book increases but not deposited in bank. Passbook decreases. So cash book increases means we have to less 500, we have to less. So check received, debited cash book increases, we have to less. Outgoing check 300 recorded twice in the cash book. Outgoing check means check issued. One time means cash book decreases. Okay, no problem. Another time means another time decreases. Second time it is wrong decrease. Because of wrong decrease, try to add outgoing check recorded twice in the cash book. 300 is to be added. So total 10,000 balance is given. 1,200, 3,000, 4,200, 4,500. Why to add 10,000 plus 4,500, 14,500. Total add. Less to 50, 100, 121, 500. We have to less all these. So 171, 971. 14,500 minus 971, 13,529 is the balance as per passbook. Balance as per passbook. So this is very important one, very good number of points, very new points for discussed here. So checks deposited 1,000 not recorded in the cash book. This is so not recorded in the cash book. If recorded, cash book increases. Not recorded, cash book decreases. Where to cash book decrease means where to add 1,000. Checks deposit 200 was recorded in the cash book as if there is no bank column. So 200 not debited in cash book. Cash book instead of increase it is decreased. So check deposited not entered in cash book. Cash deposited not entered in cash book. 1,200 cash book not entered because cash book decreases. But we add 200,000, 200. Check issued 50 recorded in 205 in the cash column. So yeah, wrong entry in cash column, but they are not 250 not entered in bank column of credit side. If enter, cash book decreases. Not entered, cash book increases. Cash book increased by to less, right? Less 250 by to 250 by to less. Debit balance taken as credit balance in the, nothing is mentioned. This is about cash book. Debit balance means 1,500. They have to show. They didn't show, so 1,500 increased. They wrongly showed 1,500 credit balance. This is decreased. Total decrease 1,005. Debit not shown. Debit not shown, cash book decreases. Wrong credit, cash book decreases. Total 3,000 decrease. Where to add 3,000. Debit balance calculated as credit balance. Payment side of the cash book under cash book 100. That means 100 credit side. They not enter. If enter, cash book decreases. Not entered, cash book increases. Where to less. 1112 was recorded 121 in the bank column. Discount allowed usually shown in the debit side. That means 121 erroneously debited in cash book. Debit means cash book increases by to less. 500 received from a debtor in the cash book, not deposited in the bank for collection. So 500 came, cash book increases, not sent to bank. So cash book increases by to less 500. Outgoing check 300 recorded twice. One time okay. Second time credit means cash book decreases. Why to add 300? Where to add? These are add. These are less. This is about a very good important problem. Very new, very nice points are there. Last problem for today's. From the following particulars, prepare bank reconciliation statement of Krishnan Sri Krishnan on March 31st, 2014. Balance as per passbook is 10,000. Balance as per passbook is given 10,000. So passbook increases, where to less. Passbook decreases, where to add. This is the fundamental point, because passbook balance is given. If passbook increases, where to less. But passbook decreases, where to add. Bank collected a check 500 on behalf of Krishnan, but wrongly credited to Krishna's account. We are bank collected a check 500 on behalf of Krishnan, Sri Krishnan, but wrongly credited to Kishan's account. Wrongly credited to Kishan's account. So 500 why to credit but not credited means passbook balance decreased. Why to add? But here both Krishnas are there. There's some. So passbook balance 10,000 is given. Bank collected a check 500 on behalf of Krishnan. Krishnan is our problem is about Krishnan, but credited to Kishan's account. That means not credited to Krishna account. Not credited to if Krishnan account is created by the bank, passbook balance increases, but not credited means passbook balance decreases. So as passbook balance decreases, we have to add check collected wrongly entered in other account, Kishan, other account with Kishan. That's how we have to add this amount. Bank recorded a cash deposit 1589 as 1598. So bank recorded a cash deposit 1589 as so 9 rupees extra entered in bank column. Bank that means passbook 9 rupees deposit. Additional 9 rupees deposit entered. That means passbook balance 9 rupees overcast. Additional 9 rupees. So as passbook increased by 9 rupees, but this is a wrong credit 9 rupees. Why to decrease the passbook? Passbook increased by 9 rupees. Why to decrease? Wrong entry in passbook 1589 as 1599 9 rupees extra credit means passbook increases. Why to less passbook? Less passbook. Withdrawal column of the passbook under cash and withdrawal column means already withdrawal column is payment side, passbook debit side, payment side, passbook debit side, under cash 100. So under cash means this amount not, if this amount is entered, what happens? Passbook decreases, but not entered means passbook increases. Under casting means that amount not entered. If entered, passbook debit side, passbook decreases. Not entered, passbook increased by to less 100 rupees. Withdrawal column of the passbook under cash 100 by to less. Trade balance 1500 in the passbook was recorded in the debit side. Same passbook. Passbook trade balance means passbook increases, but they shown as debit balance. So 1500 credit not shown, 1500 decreased, passbook decreased. Wrong debit shown, 1500 decreased in passbook. To understand, wrong debit in passbook by 1500, passbook decreases. But actual amount credit 1500 not entered means 1500 decreased. Total passbook decreased by 3000. By to add credit balance carried forward as debit balance in passbook 3000 by to add. So you have to understand this very, very important point. This is done in passbook. Passbook credit balance 1500 is there. This is correct, but not shown. Instead of increase, 1500 decreases. Instead of 1500 increase, not shown, 1000 decreases. Wrong debit in passbook decreases. Total 3000 decrease, by to add 3000. The payment of check 350 was recorded in twice in the passbook. Payment means debit side of the passbook. One time okay, second time debit means passbook decreases. Passbook decreases. Second wrong entry. That 350 by to add. Check payment recorded twice. 350 by to add. The passbook showed credit balance for a check 1000 deposited by Kishan. We are doing Krishnan problem. So Krishnan deposited 1000, but our Krishna account is created by 1000. Means Krishna passbook increased by 1000 by to less 1000 at less 1000. So 3850 by to add and 1109 by to less. So 10,000, 3,050, 13,050 minus 11,000, 1109, 12,740. So we'll discuss once again. Balance as per passbook given 10,000. Okay. Passbook increases, right or less. Passbook decreases, right or add. So bank collected a check 500 for Krishna, but credited Kishan. Whatever created should for. So bank collected check 500. If it is entered in Krishna account, Krishna increases, passbook increases, but not credited, passbook decreases. We have to add 500. So bank recorded, that means passbook record, deposit 1589 as 1598. 9 rupees extra additional deposit is there. That means passbook increased by 9, by to less passbook by 9. Withdrawal column of passbook under cash by 100. Withdrawal column is debit side. Under cash means that amount was left. If that amount is there, 100 rupees, passbook decreases, but that amount was not recorded, passbook increases by to less 100 rupees. Credit balance of passbook 1500. Credit balance means increase, not shown. That means passbook decrease by 1500. But shown as debit balance, that means passbook decreased by 1500. Total passbook decreased by 3000. We have to add 3000. We have to add 3000 carried forward balance. 350 recorded twice in the passbook. Payment side. Payment side means debit side of passbook. Debit side of passbook 350 erroneous record. So passbook decreases. We have to add 350. Passbook showed credit balance, wrong credit balance of Kishan in Krishna account. Credit balance passbook means passbook increases, right or less. Add these three, 10,000, 3,850 less, 1,000, 12,741. This is about favorable balance. We worked out 9 problems of favorable balance. And all favorable balance 9. What is the difference between favorable balance and overdraft balance? If favorable balance of cash book or passbook is given, if cash book or passbook increases, we have to less. If passbook or cash book decreases, we have to add in favorable balance. And overdraft balance in the next, we are going to see about overdraft balance in the next